Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a certificate of deposit account with Ally Bank to earn higher interest rates on your savings, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Go to the Ally Bank website and navigate to the bank section. Click on CDs or certificates of deposit to view current rates and terms. Step 2. Review the available CD options, including term lengths ranging from 3 months to 5 years, and compare the annual percentage yields for each term. Step 3. Click on Open CD or Apply Now to begin the application process. If you are not an existing Ally customer, you will need to create an account first. Step 4. Choose whether you want to open a traditional CD, a high-yield CD, a raise-your-rate CD, or a no-penalty CD based on your financial goals and flexibility needs. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Ally Bank typically requires a minimum deposit of $0, making it accessible for all savers. Step 6. Select your CD term length and confirm the interest rate and maturity date. Step 7. Provide your personal information, including name, address, social security number, and date of birth for account verification. Step 8. Link a funding source such as a bank account to transfer your initial deposit, review all terms and conditions, and submit your application. Your CD account will be opened once approved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.